a little bit sketchy. I mean, there's the meat. Just looking meal. It holds about 3.2 liters of water. What's going on, everyone? This is Spark Fishing. The lighting isn't very good, but today I'm gonna be doing a van camping for the first time in this winter. Today is a pre-chilly night, and yeah, it's my first night out in this van ever. So I got a couple things prepared. I'm gonna make a really nice dinner. Just stay away from home a little bit and enjoy my night by myself. But I'm not quite sure. I'm still not sure where I'm gonna be sleeping tonight. I'm gonna have to find a place to sleep. But other than that, I think it's gonna be a really good night. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and my goal is to reach 10,000 people. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe. Please consider subscribing to my channel. All right, let's get to it. So I'm gonna start looking for a place to sleep. I think it's gonna have to be somewhat of a stealth camp. Yeah. I'm a little nervous and excited at the same time. I think I saw a public parking lot, but that public parking lot looked a little sketchy, but who knows? It might be a good spot.
전방에 연속으로 과속 방지턱이 있습니다.
I'm pretty sure it had parking lot on the second floor. We'll see. And usually public parking lots have public bathrooms too, which is pretty
전방에
nice.
연속으로 과속 방지턱이
Because I was
있습니다.
just at a store and bought a toothbrush and toothpaste. whole bunch of things. I'm getting ready to have a good night here.
있습니다.
Yeah, I think it's pretty close. Not too far from here. So okay, I think we're getting pretty close. Okay, it's a parking lot. Lots of cars. Let's see if there's any cars on the second floor. It's probably gonna be difficult to do a stealth car camp in this parking lot where there's so many people coming by. Okay.
전방에 연속으로
let's see.
과속 방지턱이 있습니다.
Okay. Okay. Okay, there's one car. I see one car. It's a parking lot. It doesn't look like the safest place in the world, but I think this should be okay. I'm guessing. Alright, I turned my car off. I'm gonna just take a quick look around to see if this place is okay. Okay. It's a little bit sketchy. I mean, there's nobody here. I don't know if that's you see there are two cars. Actually, there are three cars here. It's this big parking lot underneath here. there's another, first floor parking spot. Another car all the way at the corner there. I don't know what they're doing. If there's any people there. Yeah, that car on the right is tinted so much I can't even see anything. Other than it being a little bit sketchy. I think there's somebody in the truck. Yeah. I think this might be a pretty good spot. I mean, it's pretty quiet and it's lit up. Yeah, but I keep hearing people coming in and out from the first floor. Ooh, it's a stealth camp, so I don't want to show this to people, but yeah, this is how it is right now. Got my winter coat and sleeping bag doubled up. It's two sleeping bags zipped up together. Yeah. Okay. Honestly, I'm pretty hungry, so I think it's about time we get cooking. Okay, now I need to move things around a little bit. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I got some snacks and some nice meat. Okay. Put them here. I want this to be stealth camp. I'm gonna get in the car now and then start becoming a little more stealthy. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let me turn on my lights here. Yeah, it's very bright light. So it will give us a good lighting for the whole thing. Yeah, I'm so excited to try to cook and be away a little bit and then enjoy my freedom. Okay, first things first, let's see what I'm gonna be cooking first. So that's my little kitchen, and it's a little foldable place where I'm able to store a lot of things. Here in this place I store some kitchenware. So I'll take this out and propane and a propane burner. Yep. So I think I need to cook my steak first. It's not really a steak, but pork belly, huge pork belly. So tonight I'll be making a huge breakfast for dinner. So I prepared this. I got 4 eggs. Oh, big chunk of meat right here. Yeah, I think that's it. I mean, nothing too special, but it's a really nice meal to make in the car. And especially this being my first time ever. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enjoy it. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna let me get my kitchen set up and start cooking. Right here, put it. Yeah. Now put more here. Okay, this is how it looks like right now. And I'll put my frying pan and then start cooking the meat. Okay, I started the fire and I made sure I have enough fresh air coming in. The pork belly is very, very greasy, but still, before I put on the pork belly, I do want to make sure it has some oil already, so it comes out nice and crispy. Okay, that's okay. I'll grab this meat, and I'm gonna put the skin side first. Skin side down. Yeah, you hear that? So a little bit of awkward situation. Somebody was walking by and checked, looked in the car, see what's going on. Yeah, it's a little bit sketchy, but pork is cooking good, I think. I flipped the meat. It's cooking beautifully. Have you guys ever seen this nacho? Nacho that has sour cream and onion flavor. It's got this little green color of this nacho. I'll give it a try. Wow. Wow, this thing is a bomb. Yeah. Very, very nice crispy nacho. And put a nice coating of sour cream and onion. And that's how it exactly tastes like. Yeah, there's a person who's keep making a circle, looking suspicious. Yeah, he's like looking around, looking at my car. Yeah, it's kind of suspicious. I don't like that, but I gotta finish up my meal, and then I'll think about it. Yeah, wow. I know it's not very usual to get a pork belly, but if you guys ever have a chance to get a huge chunk of pork belly, you should try it. It's like the best part of the pork. It's very juicy and fatty, and it tastes really good. I'm gonna be cooking those eggs, and then just relax and enjoy rest of the night. Eggs cooking good. Okay, look at that delicious looking meal. I'm gonna be trying this now. Only thing that's left now is time for eating. Big chunk. Mmm. Mmm. This thing is this thing is so good. I knew it was gonna be good, but oh man. It looks like this. Wow. Don't try to eat with your knife at home, okay? What an incredible meal. It really doesn't get any better than that. I'm just hoping that I'll be able to get some sleep here. Sketchy parking lot. There was actually another person walking around and checking me out, so now I ate and I'm full. I'm starting to get a little sleepy, but I know I'm not supposed to go to bed right after eating, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and probably set up my bed. A little mess right here. Hopefully I'll be able to sleep comfortable tonight. I'm feeling pretty comfortable and actually pretty warm, so set up my bed. Just what I mean by setting up a bed is just push everything away. Setup I have here is definitely not the best setup in the world. I got this 3 seasonal. I'm sleeping back here and a blanket. I got two of them combined, so it's a little bit bigger and thicker. Here I have two mattresses, and I have my hat, my beanie, and a really thick socks. Yeah, because I, I don't want my feet to get cold. Okay, I came back from the bathroom. Oh, it's super cold. And the inside of the car is cold, so I'm gonna turn my engine on for just a little bit. And actually try something. You see this thing right here? This thing is like a hot pack, but it's made out of metal. I read that the people in Japan use it. It's actually made in Japan. It holds about 3.2 liters of water. It's about a gallon. And what I do is I put this on a propane gas tank and then just heat it up. And this thing will heat up until boiling temperature. And then I'll put that in the pouch, and it will be nice and toasty. So I think that's what I might do. Did it turn on? Okay, it turned on. I'm pretty sure this should be fine. Put the lid on. Okay, it's in. I'm gonna. Oh. Ah. Okay. Okay. Hope I'm able to get a little bit of rest here tonight. It's pretty chilly, but I think should be okay. Good night. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, guys. I woke up. I did manage to get some sleep. Actually, it wasn't cold. My eyes a little bit dried. It wasn't that cold. My face was maybe just a little bit cold, but overall, I was able to sleep pretty comfortably. I think I'm not used to the mattress yet, so yeah, other than that, everything was fine. Whew. You gotta love this fresh morning, morning fresh air. Very, very refreshing. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll come back with another car camping video. So stay tuned for the next time.